Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Motley Crue, and the song that we are going to react to is Kickstart My Heart.
This is the first time single take honest reaction by both of us. Pure, raw, straightforward, single take. We won't pause the song once we get started. Neither will we pause our recording. This is really important on this platform where a lot of reactors don't follow basic ethical guidelines while making reaction videos. So we keep it simple, we keep it true to the work of a reactor. What you get from this unpaused single take reaction video, which is completely honest, pure and raw, is that you get a realistic and holistic experience of what we actually think about the song, both through our expressions while listening to it, as well as our body language and speech after the song is done. We try to keep it as true as possible so that you get an exact idea of what we felt about the song or thought about the lyrics, if they are lyrics to discuss, or if we want to discuss them, that is. Obviously, since we keep it this way, it's always spontaneous, unscripted and impromptu. Let's get started. It is a Patreon request for our patron Jeff, is it?
Yeah.
Motley Crue, Kickstart My Heart. I've heard about this song but never actually heard it in my
Okay,
life. So I'm eager to listen to it for the first time. is a
I like
masterpiece.
that.
And I'll tell you why. This is a masterpiece. This is absolutely phenomenal. Brilliant, brilliant
Wow.
music, brilliant vocals. Everything just fit together beautifully. Lyrically, it was strong too. It was not so repetitive as so many of other rock songs were in this era. You know, the 70s, 80s, 90s. Lot of repetitive music, repeated lyrics rather
Yeah.
in the songs. But here it had substance, at least as for the topic that it was covering. It absolutely brilliant music. The guitar work on this one was absolutely phenomenal. And to see that even the
Drums.
song has been written by the guitarist, that itself is a class apart. Guitar player, writing songs, playing the guitar like no man's business, like he's, you know, the king of the guitar, the god of the guitar. Absolutely brilliant. Reminded me so much of the great guitarists Jimi Hendrix, Eric Clapton, also Slash, but in a different way. This is phenomenal. This is phenomenal. This is a great song. This is a party song. This is a party rock song, or a rock song that can be played at a party to make it simpler to understand for
Yeah.
everyone. Brilliant, brilliant. This is a masterpiece for me. There's so much in here that I liked, and there wouldn't be enough time for us to discuss it all. Let's go straight to Kirti and let's see what she thinks about it all.
This is great. This is crazy. This is magical energy that they have. I think if we can say that this is a trademark energy of Motley Crue, it won't be wrong. Because each time you listen to them, they are pumped. They are on fire, and they do it together. It's not just one person and
Yeah,
two.
the drama.
They do it together.
The drama, I forget his name, Tommy Lee? I
Tommy
think
Lee?
so, yeah. Married to Pamela Lee Anderson, yeah. It should be Tommy Lee.
Okay, that's great then. I like to listen to them. I really like this kind of passion, this kind of energy, this kind of music. They do it together. It's just you feel good. It's an instant stress reliever, and gets you in the mode, gets you happy. It's exciting to listen to something like this. All the yes and things like that, you get involved in it. If you're feeling low, you felt sad half the time or half the day, and you listen to something like this, somebody comes over, your day is made. These people are day makers. It is like that. I like music like that. And in the lyrics, as you said, it had substance. Even by so-called intelligent bands that write lyrics, at times they are such, they do such a tricky job. They write half the song and then the remaining half is just the repeat of that. So I say they only wrote half of it, because the half is just the first part is repeated.
It's usually quarter that they write.
Yeah.
And then it's repeated
And then
three
repeat
times,
that
4
3 or
times.
4 times. So they didn't
Or
really
more.
write the entire song. But here they started with what all, makes him happy or makes them happier. And then talking about this woman as well, how a company also would matter to keep himself happy or enjoy his life better. And then after that it came about the music as well.
Baby! I like the way you said
The
that.
rock music that they enjoy and keep doing it again and again.
Yeah! Baby!
That is why you were turning here and there and something like
Ooh! Yeah! Baby!
Okay.
That sounded horrible though, I think, compared to what Vince Neil, is he the singer? I always confuse these guys' names. But I think it's Vince Neil.
I get it. In fact, you are too
I
good
hope
at
I'm
it.
not wrong with the Nikki Sixx being the guitarist.
He is, right?
He is, right?
Yeah,
Bass
yeah.
guitarist?
Yeah. I'm not sure whether he plays the bass guitar or not, but he is the guy on the guitars. I know
So
that.
then the
much.
singer is Vince Neil, yeah.
Okay.
One of the best vocalists of that era.
I like the way he sings.
He's
This
really
guy,
good. Really clean,
enigmatic
wonderful,
voice.
unique. He, Axl Rose, this kind of singing, I don't think anyone else could do it quite like them at their prime.
Get people off their chair is a difficult job. It's really a difficult job. Not too many people can do that. But I see Motley Crue, actually they can do it again and again and again. They can get you off your chair. They can get you involved. Every time you listen to them, you feel involved. Whereas other music, you take
It's not
time
that
or
easy.
it's not
Yeah,
easy.
It's
just
not easy. They have that knack.
They have it.
They have
do
the
it.
knack of getting people involved, getting them on their feet, singing along. You could see that by a reaction probably.
It's magnetic.
And that's why it's so important not to pause the music.
Yeah.
The moment a reactor pauses the music, they've killed the reaction. And only someone who reacts to music like we do will understand why. You know, many people say, oh, they have to say what they felt at that time.
No.
They killed it.
Don't
And
stop
not in
the
a
song.
good way. When they say they killed it, it also means they killed it, in a good way.
Yeah.
They killed the reaction. They didn't kill it, they killed the reaction. Which means they ruined it. Just to make it even more clearer. They messed it up. They goofed up. And they really did not give you an honest review of what they actually felt after hearing the whole thing in one go.
Music like this, if someone stops, they can be outrage.
Tell me, how would you like it if during a live concert, the band is performing this Motley Crue? They were supposedly one of the best live acts ever.
I'm sure.
At least in rock music, they were one of the best again in their prime, in the 80s primarily. So, imagine if they are performing this song, and in the middle of the song, suddenly the drummer walks off stage. He's still supposed to drum, Tommy Lee, if I got that name right. Still supposed to drum, but he decides to just take a break, have some water, walk off stage, kiss his then wife Pamela Lee Anderson or his other girlfriends before that. He decides to do all that while the rest of the band is still playing this song on stage. Will it complete the performance?
Won't he get fired?
Forget about being fired. Will it complete the performance? Will it make it a fulfilling experience for the fans? Of course not. Even if it does, it would have been a more enriching experience, better experience, if Tommy Lee was still drumming till the end of the song. The same goes in a reaction video, and it's very, very important to say this. Sometimes there are a couple of people, they probably are the reactors. They say with unique ghost IDs, commenting on our videos. So they say, why do you talk about other reactors like that? They also work hard. They don't work hard. Trust me, if you compare the way we work with any other reactor, barring one or two channels, they don't work hard. We work hard. They get scripted reviews. They have ready-made scripts, in other words, on their screens in front of them. If they are wearing specs, you can catch them. If they are wearing dark glasses, you can catch them. And I have. But either ways, you know that they are looking and reading. Some do it openly. There are a couple of people who've used my country's name. And they do it openly. They openly read from the screen what Wikipedia has said about it. Or song meanings. They actually do. And one of them has India in the name. By the way, her name isn't India.
No, please don't use it.
Amazing. Amazing misuse of our country's name.
Well, now
Because there are a
people
lot of
started
Indians who
naming.
react. So, it's
Yeah.
very bad what she's done.
Yeah.
But anyway, they are reactors like that. Unethical, breaking guidelines, pausing the music. We wouldn't have enjoyed this so much, and neither would they. And you can see that through their reactions whenever they pause and read through scripts. And usually the scripts that they read, which you may not figure out, but I'll tell you so you know you can catch them on it. And you can comment on that the next time you catch them. They read the comments.
So it's
The best way to give a great
fake
reaction,
analysis.
including one of the biggest reactors, mind you, they do this.
Okay.
Read the topmost comments, the best comments on that video, that song. They read those comments, they just reword it a bit.
What other people felt, they just post that.
Yeah, so the best comments, the most liked ones.
Right.
And I've actually seen this so many times whenever I watch reactions, and I do watch a lot of reactions. I enjoy it for some reason. That's why I react too. Both of us. She doesn't like watching though, which is good. At least one of us doesn't need to be involved.
No.
so actively in
But
watching.
that's a great idea, to connect with more people or masses.
Yeah, they just
You're reading their
They
words.
just say it's like
Connect with them.
Yeah, it's like you have to make a speech on the people's 5 favorite foods,
Yeah.
and you already know what the 5 favorite foods of the entire audience is.
Yeah.
You already had
So
a
you're
poll,
so relevant.
so you found out secretly by the poll that they like these 5 foods,
Right.
and you speak only about that. You've already won the audience,
Yeah.
and we all know you win the crowd, you win your
Win it.
freedom, but it's a dishonest way to live your life. It's a dishonest way to react to music. It's not ethical, but everyone's doing it apart from us. Everyone out there is doing this.
And maybe
in
some
some way or
people
another.
may be good.
Imagine some people would even listen to music without headphones. They still do. Again, one of the topmost reaction channels.
They did that for a
Still
long time.
without headphones. Still
Still,
the topmost.
that's bad.
LIV. Still without headphones.
Never mind. I enjoyed this music.
I enjoy this song. It's a masterpiece. It's a great song. I apologize about discussing all this, but you would not understand why we do music reactions the way we do if I didn't say that.
Yeah.
And if you don't appreciate the work that we do, please, what are you waiting for? Get the hell out of here!
But the title of the earlier song that we reacted to of Motley Crue.
Get the fuck out of here!
That was another band. But don't go away.
Oh, yeah! Unsubscribe! The first time you'll ever hear a reactor say this. Unsubscribe, 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 please!
Don't go away, Matt. Just go away.
Don't go away, Matt, just go away. Great
That's a
comment.
great song.
Fitting in this reaction video too.
Don't go away, Matt.
And when I comment about other reactors or Kirti, or reactions in general on this platform,
Yeah.
we're not mad. We are
Yeah.
extremely ethical reactors, and we don't like what they're doing. It's not about being mad or angry or something like that. We just don't like what they're doing because we are the ones doing it right every single video.
You give love a bad name.
And yeah,
Replace that with reaction.
you give reactions a bad name. It doesn't matter if you do well.
Reactors.
Doesn't matter if you make tons of money. Doesn't matter if you have millions of subscribers. Doesn't matter if you have millions of views. And sometimes on a single reaction video. Don't matter. If you're not doing it ethically, if Tommy Lee walks off the stage while supposed to be drumming,
He was yet
it's unethical.
to drum.
He would never do that. No matter how drunk or how much on drugs he may have been, he would never do that. That's the ethics of a great band. But reactors don't have those ethics. And it must be pointed out, it must be called out. And who better to do it than me? Kirti doesn't like doing all this. And no one can even comment on that aspect of her. But that's just the way she is.
Well, I don't watch them.
But I am an ethical guy.
Can't speak.
Not that you're not ethical, but I'm an ethical guy. I'm an ethical counselor. I'm an ethical reactor. I'm an ethical writer. I'm an ethical person. So when I see this being done, it's like 8 minutes 46 seconds. It's just like that, but in a reaction video. And most of them don't even get to that limit. The sad part is most of the people viewing this video till now, whatever few I've left behind.
They are gone.
Whatever few that are left, they won't even understand what I'm talking about. They just live in a very
Convenient and comfortable bubble.
tight bubble.
Right.
It may be comfortable, may be convenient, but it's really tight. They have no space, no air to breathe, nothing new to take in. They just are so full of everything that's going on. They just can't have another bite of life itself. That's it for this one.